Let's begin. If you believe it will work out, you'll see opportunities. If you believe it won't, you will see obstacles. If you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. With everything that has happened to you, you can either feel sorry for yourself or treat it as a gift. Everything is either an opportunity to grow or an obstacle to keep you from growing. You get to choose. Attitude is everything, so pick a good one. Every thought that you have impacts you. Shift from a thought that weakens to one that strengthens you. You create your thoughts create your intentions, and your intentions create your reality. Loving people live in a loving world. Look back at the entire tapestry of life. See from the perspective of the present moment that every aspect was necessary and perfect. In the east, they contemplate the forest. In the west, they count the trees. See the light in others and treat them as if that is all you see. There is no stress in the world, only people thinking stressful thoughts. Peace is a result of retraining your mind to process life as it is, rather than as you think it should be. Try viewing everyone who comes into your life as a teacher. The state of your life is nothing more than a reflection of the state of your mind. Accept the fact that you'll never get it done and begin to live more fully in the moment you have. Now. The quickest method for understanding and living your purpose is to ask yourself if you are thinking in loving ways. View the events you consider obstacles as perfect opportunities to test your resolve and find your purpose. Failing is a judgment that we place on a given action. Rather than judgment, substitute this attitude. You cannot fail. You can only produce results. I did have a lot of lack, but I never experienced it. When you grow up believing you are what you do, when you're done, you aren't. Heaven and earth is a choice you must make, not a place you must find. Stop waiting for others to change. Recognize that every person has the right to be whatever they choose, even if you irritate yourself about it. You and only you are responsible for every decision and choice you make. Period. Attachment to being right creates suffering. When you have a choice to be right or to be kind, choose kind and watch your suffering disappear. Live today. Let go of your attachment to your past as an excuse for your life conditions today. You are a product of the choices you are making right now. The qualities of creativity and genius are within you, awaiting your decision to match up with the power of intention. We're all saints. We all have built into us this intention, the capacities for kindness and creativity and beauty. It's a matter of perspective. Make the decision that you'll no longer use excuses to keep you from what you know is your best interest. Act on something you've always avoided and explained away with convenient excuses. Discarding doubt is a decision to reconnect to your original self. That which offends you weakens you. Being offended creates the same destructive energy that offended you. Stay in peace. Be at peace with everyone. No one is capable of making you upset without your consent. Our thoughts are a field of energy cycles, a mind field, and just by our thoughts alone, we impact not only ourselves, but those around us. Send out judgment and low energy, and that is what you'll attract back. Remember, when you judge another, you do not define them. You define yourself as someone who needs to judge. Thoughts are mental energy. They're the currency that you have to attract what you desire. You must learn to stop spending that currency on thoughts you don't want. By surrendering, you create an energy field of receptivity for the solution to appear.